Hello guys, one more mission. We have a Lexus LX 570 that we thought that it's alternator, but finally it wasn't alternator. We have a problem with the charging system. Let me show you inside of the dashboard. Simon, start the car. As we see, we don't have any light, indicator light regarding of bad alternator. But what happened, we have some extra lights. We discovered something, but the major problem was the charging system. Please, Mr. Yusuf, remove the terminal. We will show. As we noticed, the alternator is not charging. Now here on drawing, we have the charging system. We start from here, because finally it wasn't alternator. We try to find this cable, the green one. So in this harness we locate it. We have passive contact. We already work on some things. Because of the corrosion and the time, because it's 2008 the model, the cable sometimes during the time they used to break inside. I already make the preparation just to don't waste time. Let me join now these cables. Let's put back the terminal. Please start the vehicle. Mr. Yusuf, help us please. As you see, the vehicle is charging. If I remove it, immediately it's offing. Don't put it, leave it like that. So as we are seeing from the drawing here, is going to this cable is the cable that is going to the alternator. So the alternator is not reading and it's not give order to produce. It's like a voltage stabilizer system of the alternator. It's more complicated. This Toyota is one major cable is coming, the big one, and I think we have a pin with 4 cables. They are there, a socket, something like that. So if you notice something similar and you will not have indicator light there, probably somewhere on your harness you have a passive contact. So you need to use a joint, if it is possible, to check your fuse box how we did, and start opening your harness to be reading with multimeter the continuity. It's not easy, I know, but this is the way how you can detect these problems. Opening the harness, of course, we saw more cables there. Somebody maybe work on it, try to move, and when you are moving, for instance, this is the harness and it's rusting inside, and you want to relocate something to unclip or do something, because of the bend, 2-3 times the cooper can broke inside. So on all cars like that, it's a very common problem. So we share our experience with that. It's not common, but who knows, sometimes it can happen. We find the major problem, we will solder it now. We will solder and the remaining cables. We'll see how many lights will off inside, and we'll continue the investigation, let's say, of the harness. Thank you very much. One more mission complete.